I'm sharing my current favorites that I'm loving in our home right now, and I think you guys will love them too. The next clip is something that I share on my Instagram that I don't get to share here on YouTube, so I'd love for you to follow if you're not already a member of my Instagram family. You're more than welcome to join. But first, let's start with my favorite. Baskets is one of my favorite things to use inside of a pantry. You can use it to hide small appliances. You could use to minimize excess food. You could also use it to define areas inside your pantry. But one of my favorites is using a Lazy Susan. If you have the room, invest in one. And what I love about a Lazy Susan is that you can rotate it for easy access. This one has a removable bin where you could put condiments inside, put it on the table or while you're cooking, and when you're done, just put it back inside. I also love that it's clear. And this is where you can use your Cricut to make labels to label everything. I want to share some of my laundry storage favorites. I shared this on my Instagram at Be My Guest with Denise, and you guys loved it so much. This is actually a rice dispenser that I'm using to store my laundry beads and whitener inside. This is by far my favorite laundry storage yet, you guys, and it was only $26 at the time when I purchased it, but it comes with this fastener if you want to mount it to the wall. I love that it's narrow where it doesn't take up too much space. It's clear so you can see when product is getting low, and it has an airtight seal to keep in the freshness. It also comes with 2 measuring cups. I was getting questions if you could put liquid inside. I personally haven't tried it, but I don't think I would trust doing that. And you can get this from Amazon. Another favorite are these simple and stylish storage baskets with wooden handles on one side and open handle on the other, which makes it easy to lift and carry. You can use them in your craft room, your linen closet. You can even use them in your laundry room to store detergents and extra sponges. Check your local TJ Maxx to get your cleaning supplies and pretty much anything home related on the cheap. I get questions all the time about where do I get my pretty sponges? This is where I get them. A pack of 9 for $6. You're welcome. Of course, turntables. I've been using them everywhere. I've been using one to keep my liquid laundry detergent and softener inside these bottles. You've seen me use these containers inside my spice cabinet, and I love them because they're slender, they're stackable, and they don't take up a lot of space, and they're fairly long. You can really put a lot of your essentials inside them, and I'm using them to store my high-end laundry essentials that I use for my guest room only, and they are from the Container Store. A cleaning caddy to carry around the house to store whatever you need to make that daunting task of cleaning easier. Who doesn't love a good basket? How cute are these baskets? They have a modern farmhouse feel, but I really love them because they have lids, and I'm using them to store my dryer balls inside, and you can get them from Home Goods. If you have a lot of throw rugs like me, I found the best way to store them is to roll them up and stick them inside a pretty basket and make them part of your decor. One and done. I just love a pretty well-made basket. These baskets are from at-home stores and they came with the lettering on them, but they also had plain ones too, so you can put your own lettering if you wanted to. The inside of the baskets are lined with a plastic lining to catch any spills or if you have wet garments. This is perfect, and it also has leather straps for easy carrying. Here's a peek at our laundry room. We got new cabinetry and I installed these pull-out drawers using only 4 screws. This is definitely a game changer in the way that I do my laundry. I will be sharing my laundry room refresh very soon. Hope this has inspired you to get organized. Baskets and bins is a tool that I like to use to help keep me organized. Hopefully it will help you too. Out of calmness comes clarity. Thanks everyone for watching.